Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can unarchive a post or a story on Instagram app on your Android phone. So first of all, update your Instagram app. Now open the Instagram app. So suppose by mistake you archive one of your posts or any other post. Suppose I am going to click here. Okay, so I am going to my profile. Now suppose it's one of the posts and by mistake I archived it. So click on I have archived it. Okay, now I don't know, I forgot it which one I archived, and it won't show up in my profile. So what you need to do is click on the go to your profile. Now click on the bottom right hand corner on your profile kind of icon. Click here to open up settings. Now click on the three lines that you see at the top right hand corner. Click here. Now you can see the first option, which is archive. Click on archive. Now it will come something like this, right? It will come something like this. Now you need to click on story archive. Now click on post archive. Now you can see the post that I archived. Now click here. Again click on the three dots that you see. Now click on show on profile. Okay, now you can see it's gone from here. Now you can see it came back here in the profile. So this is how you can archive or unarchive your post or stories on Instagram app. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos on Instagram. Thank you.